In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Salesforce to Docusign seamlessly and efficiently in just 5 minutes. This process will enable you to streamline your electronic documentation processes, allowing for quick and secure electronic signatures directly through your Salesforce platform. Let's dive into each step to ensure everything is set up perfectly. First, navigate to the Docusign website. This is your starting point for integrating these two powerful tools. Once you've arrived on the Docusign homepage, your next step is to log in. If you're not logged into your Docusign account yet, go ahead and click on the login button, which you should find at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Docusign homepage. This dashboard is where you can manage all your documents and agreements. Now focus on the top menu and find the admin button. Clicking on this will take you to the administration panel, where you can manage integrations and perform other administrative tasks within your account. Once in the admin section, look for the connect option. This feature will allow you to establish connections with external applications and services. Click on it to proceed with the integration setup. On the next screen, you'll see an option to add a new configuration. Go ahead and click on Add Configuration. This is where you'll get the chance to link Salesforce to your Docusign account directly. Only one more step until completion. The integration process is almost complete, but you need to specify the application you are linking. From the list of available options, select Salesforce. By clicking on it, Docusign will guide you through the remaining steps to finalize the connection. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully connected your Salesforce account to Docusign. This integration will now allow you to streamline your workflow, making it easier to send, sign, and manage electronic agreements directly within Salesforce. It's a major time saver, and it greatly boosts efficiency when handling documents that require signatures. So just to recap, all it takes is logging into Docusign, navigating through the home to the admin section, and setting up the connection configuration to link Salesforce. It's straightforward and offers tremendous benefits by integrating document management with your CRM. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you enhance your workflow with ease. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy signing!